Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Farah Binti Azhar Khilmi and welcome to my self-projection portfolio video as per requested by Dr. Zan Asma Binti Nazruddin. In this video, I will be explaining about my experience of going through what I actually learned from our project, which is the power of good manners in everyday life, and what I gained throughout this course, which is critical and creative thinking for information technology solution, which is ICT500. So we're going to start with reflection on learning. So, what am I learning? The implementation of creative and critical thinking gave me an opportunity to see different points of views. It gave me an acknowledgement for me to see differently instead of looking from my point of view. By this implementation, it helped me to see the benefits of good manners towards society in our daily life. Why am I learning it? In order to pursue further in my information technology major, it is crucial for me to study this course to further my study. This course also an act of a great lesson for my future career and can be a new knowledge that I can implement in near future. With learning this course, I can use it as individual and career benefits. What did I learn about this project? First of all, I learned that good manners can make a better society. Throughout the project, I learned that good manners help toward making a great community or society because individual action could be a contagious act that could easily spread toward other people, thus can impact a society as a whole. From this project, I also learned about fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram could be a great way to find the root cause of a problem. It greatly categorizes every possible cause from all different perspectives that could be the cause of a problem. This discovery very much impacted my daily life as a member of the society. And next, we on to reflection on project goal. How did I know that I was making progress toward my goals? When I know what to do for my next steps. That's when I know that my path to reach my goals are clear and easy for me to compute and express through suitable media or platform. What is helping me reaching my goals? First of all, the determination of finding the next step. I find it hard for me to reach my goals without determination of finding a reason to further my steps. Second of all, self-discipline to move further because I love the satisfaction of me to improve my knowledge and my ability or my skills. Third of all, the encouragement from my groupmates or my peers. I find it exciting to see my groupmate being so progressive of their parts, and it encouraged me to do my tests and reach my own goals. So, what preventing me from reaching my own goals? First of all, not having clear detailed plan can hinder my progress. Unclear goals or not knowing necessary steps to achieve my objective can prevent me reaching my goals. Second of all, having poor time management often decreases productivity of the progress. Distraction, not prioritizing tasks effectively or underestimate the time needed to do the task. Third of all, the fear of failure or focusing for perfection can prevent me from making decisions. This mindset can lead to hesitation and tendency to overanalyze my own goals. Reflection on group dynamic. How did my peers help me to reach my goals? By creating a space for me to do work or tasks to reach my goals. My peers will help me express my idea by showcasing their way of expressing on certain platform that help me to see my goals. How did my peer encourage me to keep going when I was stuck? Throughout the course and project during challenging moments when I was stuck, my peers played an important role in providing encouragement and support. My peers would give words of affirmation and belief in my ability to do my part of the project, and it served as motivational boost. We would collectively do discussion on part that lacked knowledge of the project. My peers' willingness to support and help me to know my next step make it easier for me to face my difficulties and increasing my determination to keep pushing forward toward our goals. On to reflection on critical and creative thinking. So, in this course and project, what am I actually good at? So, first of all, I'm really into technical writing. So I will make sure me and my groupmate convey the right information with properly grammar and communication so that our messages and goal of the project reach our target audience and the information will be well written and well informed. I also take part in graphic design because during the progress of the power of good manners in everyday life project using fishbone and user persona use case exploration project, I took over the task of designing the PowerPoint slide for presentation of the project. The outcome pleases my peers and my classmates. Every human have limitation. So, what are my limitations? Overwhelmed workload. As a part-time student and a full-time employed person, when I start to feel overwhelmed with my overload works, I will usually just ignore or never acknowledge any update from my work groupmate on a project that we work on. This could lead to procrastination of the overload work, and I will usually do it when it almost close to deadline. Lack of understanding certain topics. I have trouble understanding certain topic that I rarely know. Being a shy person led me to another problem, which I rarely ask my peers about the topic I lack a knowledge of. I find it hard to speak about it with my peers because I actually don't know what I need to ask because again of the lack understanding of the certain topic. What made me really think? During the time when I encountered with problems that needs the implementation of critical and creative thinking will came to work during the process of brainstorming, which helped me think better because during the brainstorming I can list out ideas and ways that could be possibly used for the project or in this course. So after brainstorming and having thought process, after that I will usually do mistakes, which is normal. So how did I learn when I make mistakes? So usually I will track back every steps to recognize what will be the cause of the problem. When the cause of the problem was recognized, then I will start to self-reflect and learning process would immediately took place soon after. As a person who in constantly make mistake, I'm fully aware of the process of learning and sometimes the solution didn't suit with the problem, so I will continue learning until the solution solve the problem. Reflection on development of soft skill. What did I feel when I was not successful? So first of all, I will feel underwhelmed of my own performance and I will questioning my capabilities to overcome incoming problems in the future, and most of it is the instant drop of motivation. How did I handle things not going as planned? In this circumstance, I often approach setback as opportunity for learning and growth rather than as overwhelming obstacle. When faced with unexpected challenges or deviation from the plan, I've set a mindset of adaptability and resilience. I've learned to assess the situation objectively, seeking alternative solution or adjustment to realign with overachieving goals. At this point, my communication skills have effectively conveying changes or new strategy to team members or stakeholders to ensure everyone stay informed and aligned. Other reflection. What I really like about this project. Throughout the progress in the making of this project, I genuinely enjoy making data analysis of my classmate because that's the time that we bond and know each other even more. By doing data analysis, I know my classmate even more. We also being cooperative by helping each other by answering and participate on our data analysis of the project. As a graphic designer, creating design that match the concept of the power of good manners in everyday life project, I enjoyed finding similar concept that match our project and make it more pleasing to audience views. Some things that I really need to work on now. In this project and the overall experience of studying this course, I find that I acknowledge a few of my flaws to further improve myself to be a better person as inspired from our project, The Power of Good Manners in Everyday Life. I learned that I need to enhance my work ability so I can work efficiently. Not only this will help me with my information technology major, it would also help me to build my future career. some things that I could do to improve myself in the future. Looking ahead, there are several avenues I aim to explore my personal growth with. One key aspect I intend to focus on enhancing my time management skill by refining my planning techniques and prioritizing methods. Moreover, I aspire to develop my ability to receive and implement rather than criticism. Additionally, I plan to invest more time in expanding my knowledge basic through continuous learning and acquiring new skills that are relevant to my field, broadening my understanding of this course, and lastly, I aim to nurture a stronger sense of resilience and adaptability, viewing challenges as opportunity for growth and actively seeking ways to approach setbacks with a positive and solution-oriented mindset. One thing that I will remember forever about this project. One key memory that I will remember about this project is the knowledge that I gained throughout the study of this course and the project that I did with my groupmate or peers. The knowledge that I learned can help me as a person to grow to be a better person. Through the analysis of a good manners that I learned from this course and project, I can implement the self-reflection whenever I encountered with my daily life obstacle. Through the knowledge I gain and the data that can be used for my future self and career, this knowledge can greatly impact me as a person and a role as one person of the members of the community that could lead to be a better society.